Okay, so we have his hat, we have his face, we have his scarf, corncob pipe, button nose. So let's put in the his buttons that go along his body here. So that'll be pretty easy. What we can do is we can grab one of these. Okay, gonna edit, duplicate it, and let's just move it down. Okay. And let's just move it in. And let's make it bigger. It's way too small. Okay, so we'll hold shift. There we go. And let's just move it in. There. That look. Probably make that bigger. Shift, corner select. Oop. Actually, you just gave him a pot belly. So go undo. Okay. Sometimes when you select and it's over something, it has a hard time telling that you're not selecting this as opposed to this. So let's shift. There we go. Okay. Now let's just edit, duplicate, edit, duplicate, edit, duplicate. Let's see how that goes. All right. Let's move that one out. Select that one. Okay. I don't know, one more? Yeah, why not? One more. A little too perfect. So let's move it down. Let's move it just a little that way. Yeah, just a little bit. Doesn't have to be a lot. It's a little too much in a straight line. Makes it more interesting. Just move that one out a little bit. Yeah, that looks great. Okay. Now it's looking good. Looks like a snowman to me. All right. Now let's try something with his scarf, just to make it a little more interesting. So let's duplicate it, edit, duplicate, okay. And then this new duplicate piece, let's make a little shorter. All right. I'm going to make it look like it's wrapped around him a couple times. And let's just move it down a little bit. Okay. Now let's rotate it. Let's go in the outside dial just a little bit. There. That looks cool. Okay. Now let's just pull it out. We don't want it perfectly circular, so let's just move that. And then let's just move this side out a little bit. Okay, do the same back here. All right. I like that. That looks a little bit better. We could probably clean this area up a little. So let's just move this up. That looks pretty good. Smooth this one out just a little bit more. There we go. Maybe rotate it. No, maybe not. Okay, let's rotate it a little bit here too. So select that. And let's select the other one too. And just rotate it a little bit. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now in the next one, we're going to build his arm. Okay, see you then.
Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.